Hi traders, you are welcome to my video on a simple yet effective trend following system called the three ducks trading strategy. Now, this method is great for filtering out weak setups and ensuring you trade in the right market direction. Okay, whether you trade Forex, stocks, or crypto, this strategy can help you stay on the right side of the trend. Before we get started, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future trading content. Okay, now let us break it down. The three ducks trading strategy is a trend following method that uses three different time frames to confirm the market direction. All right, it uses three different time frames to confirm the market direction. The idea is simple actually. Before entering a trade, you want all three time frames to be aligned in the same direction. So this helps filter out bad setups and ensures you are trading with the larger trend, not against it. The time frames used in this strategy are: the higher time frame is the 4-hour chart, the mid-range time frame is the 1-hour chart, and the lower time frame is the 5-minute or 15-minute charts. All right. Now, by checking these three charts, before entering a trade, you can avoid false signals and focus only on high probability trade setups. Okay? Now, here is how it works. Yeah? The first dock, is the 4-hour chart. You start by checking the 4-hour time frame. If the price is above the 200 EMA, we're going to be adding the 200 exponential moving average. So if the price is above the 200 EMA, the trend is bullish. All right. If the price is below it, the trend is bearish. But right now, we can see obviously the trend is bullish on Euro USD. The second dock is the 1-hour chart. So you have to move to the 1-hour time frame and check if the price is still moving in the same direction. And right now, yes, it is. If it aligns with the 4-hour trend, then we move to the next step. Okay, so we are good to go. Now we're going to go to the 15-minute chart, all right, which is going to be the third dock. The first dock was 4-hour, second dock was 1 hour, the third dock is either 15 minutes or 5 minutes, but let's just use the 15 minutes in this video. Okay, so we are coming to this time frame to look for a good entry. That is the purpose of coming to this third dock, okay, to look for a good entry. So you want to enter only when all three time frames are aligned in the same direction. Right now, in the 15-minute chart, the price is below the 200 EMA. So we need to wait for the price to climb back above it before we look for a buy opportunity above the 200 EMA. Okay, because the trades must align across the three time frames. All right. So this step-by-step approach keeps you from taking trades that go against the overall trend and helps you avoid choppy markets. So now that you know the structure, let us see this strategy in action. Okay. So an example of a bullish setup is where, let's just move back a bit. All right. I want to look for an example where, okay. During this particular trading day, I'm just going to use a red line to mark this because I want us to look at, examples, like even if it is just one. Let's get a very practical example, right? So let's use this particular trading day as an example. Okay, so let's go to the daily time frame. So we can see that that period where I marked that red line, we can see that the price was above the 200 EMA on that day, right? Then let's go. Sorry, I was meant to go to the 4 hours time frame, not the daily. So we can see that price was above the 200 EMA on the 4 hour chart, right? And then on the 1 hour chart, we can see that price was still above the 200 EMA, right? Then coming to the 15-minute chart, we can see that obviously price was above the 200 EMA. So with this alignment, we would have looked for good buying opportunities, whether here, whether at this point, or at this point after pullbacks, or at this point. So we had multiple buying opportunities, but we would have been looking for only buy opportunities on the 15-minute time frame. Okay. Then a bearish setup example. Let's just see if we can find, an example. Okay, maybe we're gonna have to use all right, this period where we had the price below the 4 below the 200 EMA on the 4 hour chart. That should be around February 7th. Yeah. Okay, so it's already below the 200 EMA on the 4 hour chart during this period. So let's go to the 1 hour and check to confirm that 7th February. Where are you? All right. So around this time, we can see that price was also below the 200 EMA. So that's a good one. So the first dock, we had a bearish signal on the first dock. Here in the second dock, we have a bearish signal. We're going to go to the third dock and look for a bearish signal. Perfect. So we had a bearish signal, right? So around here, this is the 15-minute time frame. So we had multiple opportunities to enter a sell again. Here was a good opportunity. Here was a good opportunity to enter a sell. And yeah, this was a good opportunity. So if we had entered a sell, then we'll be targeting the nearest support levels for our take profit. So basically, this is a bearish setup example. So now, even though the 3 dock strategy is straightforward, traders can still make mistakes. So here are a few things to watch out for. The first is forcing trades when time frames do not align. If even one time frame disagrees with the others, stay out of the trade. Okay? Ignoring market conditions is another mistake. This strategy works best in trending markets, so avoid using it when the market is ranging or consolidating. And finally, do not make the mistake of not using stop losses. Always protect your trade with a stop loss to manage your risk effectively. By following the rules and avoiding these common errors, you can make this strategy a reliable part of your trading approach. And that is how you trade using the 3 docks trading strategy. This method is a great way to stay in tune with a larger market trend and avoid unnecessary risks. Okay, so try it out on your charts and see how it fits into your trading style. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Okay, what trading strategies do you want me to cover next? Let me know. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.